In a small town, 70% of startups fail within 2 years, yet one bakery rewrote that statistic. The problem was clear: a crowded market and no standout brand, so the founders defined a simple goal. They pivoted from a conventional bakery to a community hub offering workshops, local sourcing, and windows for neighbor artists. Facing cash flow gaps and supplier uncertainty, they renegotiated terms, launched a microloan fund, and filmed transparent progress updates. Within 2 years, revenue tripled, and the town rewarded their persistence. What do you think is the key to success? Subscribe.